Big hello and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So finally we have our Dyson purifier, hot and cool formaldehyde. My daughter is also here with me in the video. So I'm going to open it, unbox it, show it to you, do the setup, and I will post it. And then of course this is just today we have bought it. This is our family New Year gift for all of us, me, my husband and me. This Dyson has, it also purifies, it heats and it also cools, so it's perfect. And I will do the unboxing now. After the unboxing, once we set it up, I'll show you that as well. And then as I learn, I will keep posting things about it. My daughter is super excited. It's very dry weather here and it's very cold, so I was not looking.
It is freezing.
Yeah, so it's not freezing but it's cold. But the heater is I really wanted the heater function, cooler, and also the air purifier, because it's an investment. But if you look down the lane for how I've been using Dyson Corella, it's one of the best hair tools I've had, and even after so many 6 months I have loved it. Stay tuned for a review, and I did post the unboxing if you want. This is our second Dyson product, and baby S is super excited about it. So let's begin with the unboxing. All right, so it comes all in this big box.
It's green one.
Yeah, and this is Mr. James Dyson, the inventor. I hope you can see it properly. Yeah, so this technology has there are other technologies, but they have a lot of products. They have a good vacuum cleaner, so this is something we'll be using in India in our home in future. So that's why we thought of investing in something that we will not need to buy, because we could not find a good heater, and here the ACs are not with remote in this Riyadh, so it's the old style, so we have to always get up and switch off the AC.
In this one, in the top side there's the magnet where we can stick the remote and we can open anything what you want to open.
Alright, so this is how the whole box looks like. I've already removed the tag, so I'm just going to unbox it now for you guys. Yeah.
Or otherwise, if you don't want to remove the remote, you can just download the Dyson app and you can open it and close it with the Dyson app.
She's super excited to tell you all about everything she knows about Dyson. So this is how the box looks like once open. Here is, I think here the user manual is there, how to go about it. Let mama do it, Nona. Let mama make the video now. So I'm gonna open one by one. These are all the tools that come. These are all the filters. Just watch, Swadhin. Just what I'm doing, just observe it. Don't talk, you do not know about it. These are all the HEPA filters and the other filter, the formaldehyde. If you know what is formaldehyde, I researched a lot about it. These are some this is something which is not good for your health, and they are in your old furniture, they are everywhere, you know, which we cannot take it out directly from, it doesn't come out so easily, it's not purified. But Dyson, this technology, formaldehyde definitely helps. Even if you have family has history of cancer or something, this do help out. But for me, more than the formaldehyde, it's the heating and the cooling. This is how the remote looks like. Yeah. No, let me make the video, please. Do not disturb.
Look at something.
No need.
Every you need to send the filter. Everyone.
So this is the device. This is the main device. Inside the boxes. You can close the box now. Keep everything nicely, because they have a 15 days money back guarantee. So if in case we do not like the product, they have a 15 days full cash back. So that's something good from Dyson's end, because when you're spending so much, you need to make sure that you're liking everything about the product. So keep everything inside here. Keep this box inside, Dita. Keep it. They have I think somewhere you need to register the product. So here they have already shown. These are the filters. Let's open the filters as well.
This is my favorite
Alright, so there is a registration code on the box. Here at the box there is, so you have the Dyson app, you can. Now this is the formaldehyde one, which you never need to change again. The filter that never changes, and it's there. And this is the HEPA filter, which you will do yearly changes. So December we got, next December I'll be changing. It costs around 300 riyal here. 300 something. So here its full instructions are here. It's shown how you have to put it, where you have to put it. It's taped. There is a tape here. The whole box was 8.4 kg, but this is I think around 5 kg. It's not very heavy, so we can move it to both the places. My daughter loves putting the remote on top. Don't keep it right now, just leave it here, Nuna. Yeah, and we'll just put the tapes. So here so we'll just open it like this. So first part goes like this. Wait, no. I need to see how to go about it. Okay. So there is two parts. One is this side, one is this side. So first is here. Here there is like a, you need to press this. So first you have to, first goes the HEPA filter. There is a, need to check how to put it. Yeah, it makes a sound, and then goes this one. This one goes with this. So after you put the formaldehyde, this here, this is there, and this is here. There is a round. You will just put them together. Both the sides there is. So you will just press it and it sticks, and then you will just, this is the only time when you're setting up you will be opening, and then you will not be using it anymore. Now this is for this side, again the same way. First always put the formaldehyde one here directly, because this will never come out. This is always going to be this you never need to change. And this part is the one HEPA filter, which you will be changing eventually. It's much easier if you put it like this. Yeah, and then goes both of them. It should make a sound if it's locked properly. Yeah, so now it's locked properly, and then I'll just plug it now, and we will come back to you. That part I'll show you in my other video. All right, thank you so much for watching, and then once we set it up I will show you the complete. So the device is on now. The device is on. The remote I've already put in the app. The air quality in my dining room is very bad, drawing room. So here is the fan. If you go the fan, this is the maximum speed. Okay, and yeah, since I pressed auto, this was the speed of the fan. If you reduce, it does make some sound, but it is good cooling. Baby S is really liking it. Yeah, of course it's not like, you know, when you buy this thing people think it's like AC. Of course it's not like AC, but definitely it is good enough, good cooling, especially like an add-on during the summer. And then you go reduce it, and then if you want to go heating, in the app it's more clear. You can do like,
show me full.
It will be very hot.
Show me.
And see, slowly you will see the temperature. It will increase.
Now it's very cold.
There. Now see the heat. Touch. It's hot. The heating here is very good. It can go all the way till 37 degree. It can go. So I think
37.
Yeah, this is 37, and it shows different. It also shows us the different. Like you can see the amount of. I think the level of the air in this room. It's showing that the speed of the fan have reduced, but if we increase the speed of the fan, the heat will also increase, right? Yeah, and it reduces as well. There is a way it goes round and left and right as well. See, this is all. If you want 90 degree, 45, it will go like this. It moves also.
I want it like that.
Yeah. Okay. If you want it to go all the way round.
I want it to be all the way round.
And I think this is the one you can. You can flow at the back or in front. Definitely it is good heating. Heating definitely I like it more than the cooling part. And this is the 10 fan for how much is and rest 31 degrees. Let's see how it heats up the room, and slowly it will be working on improving the air as well. Let me find out more about it and then I'll come back to you. For now, what these recordings are saying, I have to see it in my app about the air. Alright. How is it coming from the back also? Don't touch anything, yeah? Anyway, it's safe, but better. Go. Come this side. And we can just put it on this side. See, and we can also move it like up and down, like a little bit if you want.
How?
For now, let's just move it front side and little back side and let it not swirl. Okay, so it will be only one side. You want to move it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it'll move this much. No need to sit on it. Let it just warm the room.
Is it even